Like Grandma.
Hello, Dottie. It's me, Pee-wee.
Where are you calling from?
Texas.
Where?
Honest. Listen, I'll prove it.
The stars at night are big and bright.
Deep in the heart of Texas.
Welcome back to the channel for another horror convention walkthrough video. This is Big Texas Terror Day 1 in San Antonio, Texas.
Alamo.
So just a quick setup. The convention was at the Henry B. Gonzalez Convention Center. Location for this convention is really cool because you have the San Antonio Riverwalk, which is full of history and great restaurants. A few of my highlights from the show, I finally got to meet Ethan Suplee, Willem from Mallrats.
Go ahead, but hurry, the Easter Bunny's waiting.
Wow, it's a schooner.
You dumb bastard. It's not a schooner, it's a sailboat.
A schooner is a sailboat, stupid head.
You know what? There is no Easter Bunny! Over there, that's just a guy in a suit!
While I love Ethan and all of his amazing acting roles, such as American History X, Cold Mountain, Butterfly Effect, and of course Randy in My Name is Earl, but during COVID, I discovered his health and wellness podcast, American Glutton. So it was great to talk with Ethan about the positive effects his podcast has had on my life. He even asked if he could take a quick picture of me wearing my American Glutton shirt so he could send to his wife, Brandy. Pretty cool. I did have him sign my Mallrats DVD, to which he appropriately addressed me as Chris, you dumb bastard. The accuracy. Something Sam and I talked about recently on the Laser Wagon Horror Podcast was when a celebrity you were jazzed about seeing cancels, especially last minute. Well, I was a victim of that this trip, not even realizing that Ted Raimi had canceled until I hit the convention floor.
What the hell is Pink Fuck?
Pink Fuck is a proprietary mix of liqueurs and spirits garnished with orange rind and nutmeg. Oh, and there's a shit ton of ketamine in it.
Got it.
I had purchased a duo photo op with Ted Raimi and Dana DiLorenzo, so even though I didn't get Ted to sign my Necronomicon yet, Dana and I raised a glass of Pink Fuck in honor of Chet Kaminsky, and then I fixed the photo, and then I fixed it again. So I did get my Ted and Dana photo op one way or another after all.
Solidarity till the wheels fall off.
But I do hope to catch up with Ted in real life at a future convention down the road. While I was at it, I had Dana sign her Demon Kelly photo, and she showed me what she really thought of my low-key Chet cosplay.
Just like a sucker punch.
Overall, I give this show high marks for its location and the opportunity of all the things there is to do once the showroom floor closes. I am looking forward to this show growing and improving in the future. They have already announced dates for next year, and I think moving it to the spring is a big plus to help avoid some of the Texas summer heat. So I hope to attend next year as well. That's all I have for the setup. So let's go check out Big Texas Terror Day 1 in San Antonio, Texas.
Melina wins. Flawless victory.